What's going on, guys? It's Cliff with Paint Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today we're going to be working in Clermont, Florida. We're here for a roof cleaning. This customer here is a subscriber of the channel and hired me to come out here to take care of it. This is about an hour and a half away from my area. He was willing to pay us to travel to come out here to get the roof done. Sees a lot of the videos and the work that I do, so trust my work. So we came out here to do the job for him. The one is with me. He's gonna make sure that all the plant stays wet and saturated, so we don't kill any grass or any plant life. This is a tile roof. It's a concrete tile roof, so we're gonna use a softwash system, which is a 12-volt system that we have, and we're gonna apply about a 6% mix on the roof to kill all the algae growth. This roof is about 7 years old, maybe 7 to 8 years old, so it's never been cleaned. So we're gonna clean it for the first time because the customer got a letter from the HOA. So if you haven't yet, subscribe, like, and leave a comment if you got questions, and hit the bell so you know when I put up new content. Let's go check out the roof. So this is the roof here. It's kind of dark. It's kind of hard to see on this side here. He's on the corner lot. So when everybody turns in right here, that's the first thing they see. So that's probably why they sent him the letter for the, from the HOA. The one is already wetting down all the plants for me right now. Let's see if I can step back and show you guys a view of the roof. You can see got some dark spots on it. So like I said, we're gonna soft wash it. They do have gutters. I'm gonna go through and see where the gutters, the downspouts leads to make sure they're not coming out anywhere near the grass or the plants. If they are, I'm gonna put a gutter bag to catch off any runoff we may have. He also wants us to go ahead and clean this this strip of sidewalk for him. You guys can see we've got some algae on it, so we're gonna clean that up to his property line. Let me check out these downspouts while I'm over here. See one right there. All right, so this one leads to right here. You guys can see that'll go right there next to these hedges. We're not gonna risk none of that. We're gonna back that up. There's another one over there at the end. We're gonna back that one up out also. I've never been to this property, so I've only seen the roof online where I was able to get my measurements. So little stuff like this, I would never know unless I came to the property. Got another one right there. Nice patio out here. See the other side of the property. Over here we don't have anything here. We won't have to worry about this one here. I see maybe one, two, three more down here. I'm gonna have the bag. So we're gonna do that now. I'll show you guys the bags. All right, guys, these are the gutter bags that I use. It's like a tubular bag. I just roll a piece out and I just cut it and tie it in a knot like this so it doesn't leak out, and all the stuff collects inside the bag if I have a lot of runoff, which most of the times I don't, but I like to protect myself and the customer's property by doing this. Also, these are in the description of the video, and everything else that I pretty much use is on in that list. If you want to buy some from, they got their own Amazon, you can get them pretty cheap. All right, I'm gonna cut them up and install them on the downspouts. All right, we got the gutter bags installed on the downspouts. Show you guys what they look like. So I got them around the downspouts like that. Got one down there. I got like 3 more on the other side of the house. I just put it around around the downspout pretty good so it doesn't slide off. And catch all your runoff if you need to. So the ones watering everything down, I'm gonna go ahead and get up on the roof and start spraying. Y'all stay tuned. All right, so this is the roof here. Sorry, I got my mask on. You guys can see the color of this roof. Got some algae streaks on it. And up top here. It's not terrible looking at it from up here, but you can see those little black marks. You gotta get those cleaned up. It's not a humongous roof, but definitely needs to be cleaned. This side is worse, if you guys can see it. I know the angle and the shadows kind of bad, but this side is definitely the worst side. You can see a major difference from here to there. So we're gonna start spraying from the back. I'm gonna spray this way here, and then we'll do this side last. So we're gonna use a 6% mix, sodium hypochlorite, which is chlorine. We got some surfactant in there as well, and water. Hopefully y'all can understand me. Alright, y'all stay tuned. Alright, we're gonna start here. You can see a big black spot, green spot right here. A lot of shade in this area, so we're gonna make sure that comes out clean. We're gonna apply this mix and just let it do its thing. We're not gonna rinse it. Move it along good. We got this side sprayed right here. This is the worst side. This side is pretty dark. So we're gonna get this side straightened up and get it looking good as this side over here. We're gonna keep on working. You guys, we just got done spraying this area here. It was really dark. It's starting to take shape. We're gonna continue working around, and I don't even think we'll have to go back and do a touch up, but I always do, just to make sure that everything's buttoned up and looking good all the way across the board. So we're going to continue working to the front of the house and then do this last side. I'll set the camera up over there so we can get a a decent view because that shadow's killing me. It probably look good on camera, but I don't like how it looks when I'm filming. All right, y'all stay tuned. Alright guys, we just got done spraying the roof. This side wasn't that bad, but she's gonna be cleaned up once it's dried up. I can already tell it's gonna look good. Show you guys the other side. I haven't done my second pass yet, which I don't think I would need to, but I'm gonna look around and see. And you can see this side here, it was super dark. Now you can see, now it's cleaned up. All that black algae is gone. Starting to dry up. This side is gonna take longer to dry because it's away from the sun. No marks whatsoever on here. So show you guys the back section. We had that big dark algae spot at the bottom when we first started. You can see everything is uniform here. She is good to go. Yes sir. What I'm talking about. We still gotta do the little sidewalk down there for her, for him, and we'll be done. This is the original spot that was super dirty when we walked up. The spot right here was horrible too. The sun doesn't touch this side at all, really. And over here you can see it's starting to dry up. Loving, loving, loving it. We're not gonna flush out the 12 volt yet. We're gonna save it to post treat that concrete over there instead of just wasting it. And then we're gonna collect our gutter bags. We'll check those too, show you guys how much I caught in them. Alright guys, we're collecting our gutter bags. See what they look like. That runoff right here. Get that out. You can pull street with this if you want to. You can put it in a pump up. I'm not gonna take it with me, so I'm just gonna dump it like in the rocks here. So it's not gonna do anything to the rocks. If anything, it'll just make it cleaner. There's another one here. So always protect yourself. Always protect yourself. We could have just let this flow all over the place. Over here we didn't put one because over here you can see it's dirt. It's not gonna reach the plant, so we didn't do that one. We got 3 more to do on the other side. The one just grabbed the ones from the other side of the house. I'm gonna show you guys the sidewalks we did on the side of the house. We already packed up, ready to go. Use as much of the water that we were gonna carry, because it burns more gas when you carry more water. And I used about 25 gallons of chlorine for this roof here. This is the sidewalk. Nice clean sidewalk. It was 2. We also did the little wall here. He didn't ask me to do that, so I just went ahead and did that for him because it was full of algae. I think the HOA takes care of this part, but yes sir. We stop at the property line, so that dirty part, that's not part of his. That's the HOA. His property line stops right there where we stopped. Alright y'all, that's it for today. Took us probably like an hour and a half for everything. I'm gonna see if I can hook up with my man Miracle Pressure Washing. This is where he lives in Clermont. See if we can link up. If I do link up with him, I'll make a little short video of me meeting him. I never met him in person. We've been talking on the phone and stuff for a couple of years now. Alright guys, well, enjoy the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell so you know when I put up new content. And y'all have a good one. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace. Hey, look at my boy Miracle Pressure Washing coming at you with another miracle. What up, man?
Bro, you good?
Yeah,
yes,
good
sir.
to see
Good
you,
to
man.
see you, bro.
Yeah, you got the rig out today.
Called me out when it just came out there and just posted up just to chill.
My boy right here, man. We've been chopping up for about 3 years.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
I've been following you ever since I followed you. I've been going strong, bro.
Yeah, man.
You the one put me in the game.
Yes, sir, man.
Pete Flamingo put
Finally
me in the
met
game.
you in person,
yeah,
man. That's my boy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.